What is WhatsApp new policy? Can Zucku Bhai read your text while sitting at his headquarters? Is WhatsApp safe to use now? Guys, if you love India, then this video is for you. But abhi bhi aap agar ye sochte hain ki jaisa chal raha hai chalne do, then you can skip this video. The new terms and conditions states that WhatsApp can now share your data with companies of Facebook like Facebook Messenger and Instagram. Respect for your privacy is coded in our DNA. This line in WhatsApp policies used to be true until July 2020, where you had the option to opt out of these policies if you do not agree to it. But now you have to agree to these terms and conditions by default. So why these terms and conditions are changed? To understand this, we have to understand WhatsApp business model. WhatsApp was founded in 2009 with an initial model of charging $1 every year from its users. 2008-2009 was an era of digital boom. Earlier people used to pay 1 rupee, 2 rupee per text. They immediately switched to WhatsApp because it was completely free. The popularity of WhatsApp can be calculated by these numbers. In 2012, there were 2.5 million active users of WhatsApp, which grew till 5.5 million by the end of 2014 until it was bought by Mark Zuckerberg for $19 billion. We know that Mark Zuckerberg has a lot of money, but it doesn't mean that he will spend $19 billion to give services for free. So now the main question comes. Is Zucku Bhai reading our text? No, Zucku Bhai cannot read your text. Texts between your friends and families are still end-to-end encrypted, which means that only the sender and receiver can read them. Sign of relief? Ruko zara, sabar karo. The new WhatsApp policy states that WhatsApp can now share your data if you're having conversation with any business account, like buying or selling things. You must have observed that if you're having conversation with your friend about a laptop on Facebook Messenger or Instagram, the next time you log in, you'll see similar kind of ads. People, that's called artificial intelligence. Through artificial intelligence, these guys read your chats, pick up keywords from there, and display similar kind of ads the next time you open your handles. And the worst part of policy is that now they can even share your data with any third-party app who are doing business with Facebook. Have you ever booked a movie ticket? If yes, then you must have observed that the movie ticket immediately comes to your WhatsApp. This means that WhatsApp now can share the information to that movie booking company. Now some of you may say that we are using their services and this is the only way how these companies earn money. It is not at all like this, people. You have to understand what these companies are doing with us and how it is hampering your country. From now onwards, whenever you will WhatsApp, you will take a kind of survey telling WhatsApp what you like, what you don't, what you use, what you don't, what you want, what you don't. And even though you delete these conversations from your chats, they will remain in their servers stored unless they delete them on their own. Time के साथ शायद ऐसा भी हो कि ये कंपनियां अपने हैंडल से सर्च का ऑप्शन भी हटा दें. They will let us see what they want us to see. People, let me take you a few months back to the TikTok controversy. Few of us still believe that a controversial debate between Carrie Minati and Amir Siddiqui led a movement in India which led government ban TikTok. Few of us still believe that TikTok was banned due to its cringe content. Guys, that's a harsh truth. TikTok was not bad at all. Many of doctors, scientists, engineers were there on TikTok. The reason it was banned because China was secretly storing our information in their servers. Guys, this is 21st century and chances are less that there will be any actual world war will happen. Recording data of users is the new world war of 21st century. These companies are using us as pawns to get information about you and your country. There's a law in China that if you're using any Chinese app, then you have to share your data with Chinese government. And the reason behind this is that China aspires to become world leader in artificial intelligence in next 10 years. China is a neighboring country and just because of ongoing issues, our government banned all the Chinese apps. Guys, this exact same thing is happening in case of WhatsApp. We understand that we are in better terms with US, but it doesn't mean that any country will have a control over us. Any country will have our data. That's really not acceptable, guys. Thank you everyone who reached out. We are still working to counter any confusion by communication directly with users. Now no one will have their account suspended and this deadline has been extended till 15th of May. Mr. Zuckerberg is so scared that he's even appearing in our status telling us that WhatsApp is safe to use. And the reason behind this is In the first week of Jan, when this news came out, within 2 weeks, 33% of WhatsApp users immediately migrated to other apps like Signal and Telegram. Panicking may worsen the situation, but this time panicking of people gave headache to Mr. Zuckerberg. It is important to understand that privacy concern around this policy still exists, as WhatsApp has not rolled out any backup policy. They have just delayed the policy by a couple of months. It is a tactic to stop public anger and stop people migrating to other apps. WhatsApp को 3 महीने मिल जाएंगे और जब तक हम सब ये भूल जाएंगे। अब 12 पेज की पॉलिसी पढ़ेगा कौन? कुछ चुनिंदा 10-12% लोगों ने, जिन्होंने अब तक ये पॉलिसी एक्सेप्ट नहीं की है, शायद वो भी 3 महीने बाद ये पॉलिसी एक्सेप्ट कर लें। और बाकी 90% लोगों ने तो ये पॉलिसी 4 तारीख को सुबह उठते ही एक्सेप्ट कर ली थी, ये सोच कर कि ये WhatsApp का कोई नया अपडेट या यूजुअल बैकअप है। Am I right? Well guys, the damage is done. But it's high time that we should come together once again like the TikTok controversy. Guys, data protection laws are the need of an hour. These laws are discussed in Supreme Court since last 4 years, but there's no solid outcome. I understand is that it's hard to migrate right away from one app to other. और WhatsApp तो हमारी लाइफ का एक जरूरी हिस्सा बन चुका है. But at least we can try. We all discuss about Make in India, but no one seems to follow it. जब तक हम ये Indian apps download नहीं करेंगे, तब तक Make in India will not be successful. I know initially you might not like it. They will have a lot of issues, they will have a lot of lag, but you will see eventually they will improve. अगर हम ये apps download ही नहीं करेंगे, तो ये लोग बड़े सर्वर्स कहाँ से लगवाएंगे? और अगर डाउनलोड कर भी लेंगे, तो वापस 4 दिन बाद WhatsApp पे फिर से चले जाएंगे, ये कहकर कि मजा नहीं आ रहा। गाइस, फिर भी आपको WhatsApp यूज करना है, यूज करते रहो. But at least demands strong data protection laws from our government. 340 million users of WhatsApp are from India. और अगर एक बार ये लॉ पास हो गया, so WhatsApp will never let go these 340 million users anywhere, and they will have to make amendments to this policy for sure. Guys, India is a developing country, and development के चक्कर में कहीं ये ना हो कि बाहर के लोग फायदा उठा जाएं. Guys, we should always find opportunities. शायद ये एक मौका है Indian entrepreneurs के आगे आने का. Do you know how much jobs will be created? Let's begin the change and we will see difference very soon. That's my promise to you. Guys, if you want to know more about data protection laws, I'll drop a link below. I have dropped a petition below as well. And if you care about the country, please do sign the petition. And I'll make sure that it reaches our government as soon as possible. And finally, if you got little bit value from this video, please share this video, tag your friends, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Jai Hind.